Hello everyone. Today we will see the phenomenon of osmosis. This phenomenon was first of all discovered by Pfeffer. This phenomenon we will study in three different steps. First step is definition, second one is mechanism, and the third one is importance of this phenomenon in plant life. Now we'll see at first definitions of osmosis. Osmosis can be defined by different ways. That is on the basis of solvent molecules, then concentration of solution, then nature of solution, etc. Now we will see the definition of osmosis one by one. First one, on the basis of solvent molecules. On the basis of solvent molecules, it is defined as the movement of water or solvent molecules from its high concentration to its low concentration through a semi-permeable membrane is called as osmosis. Then on the basis of concentration of solution, it can be defined as the movement of water or solvent molecules from the region of lower concentration to the region of higher concentration through a semi-permeable membrane is called as osmosis. It is also defined on the basis of nature of solution. Then what is the definition of osmosis? On the basis of nature of solution, that is movement of water or solvent molecules from a dilute solution to a concentrated solution through a semi-permeable membrane is called as osmosis. As we know that the less concentrated solution means dilute solution is also termed as hypotonic solution, whereas the more concentrated solution means high concentrated solution is called as hypertonic solution. And on the basis of this, osmosis can be also defined as the movement of solvent molecules from the region of hypotonic solution to the region of hypertonic solution through a semi-permeable membrane is called as osmosis. In this way, osmosis can be defined by different ways. Now we'll see the mechanism of osmosis. Means how the movement of water molecules takes place from the region of lower concentration to the region of high concentration. What is the reason behind this? That's why the next point is what? Mechanism. Actually, what happened during the osmosis? During the osmosis, the movement of water or solvent molecules takes place on both the sides, but the movement of water molecules is more faster from the region of lower concentration to the region of higher concentration. This is because the solution of lower concentration contains more water molecules, whereas the solution of higher concentration contains less water molecules. Hence, during the osmosis, the movement of water or solvent molecules always takes place from the region of lower concentration to the region of higher concentration. Hence, it is said that the osmosis is the type of diffusion. In plants, the osmosis is of two types, that is endosmosis and exosmosis. What is by endosmosis? When the water enter into the cell from the surrounding medium through a semi-permeable membrane is called as endosmosis. Whereas exosmosis means what? When the water move out of the cell into the surrounding medium through a semi-permeable membrane is called as exosmosis. Here the mechanism we have seen. Now the last step remains, which one? That is the importance of this phenomenon in plant life. Then what are the importance of osmosis in the plants? The first one is absorption of water. As we know that plants absorb water from the soil through the roots by the process of osmosis. Then the second importance of osmosis in the plant is what? Movement of water in plants or in plant parts. In plant cells, water and dissolved substance move from one cell to another cell, and it is distributed in all the parts or throughout the plant body by osmosis. Then the another importance is what? Tursidity. In the plant cells, the tursidity is maintained by the osmosis. Then the next importance is what? Opening and closing of stomata. The opening and closing of stomata depends on the tursidity of the guard cells, and the tursidity of the guard cell is maintained by the osmosis. Then the osmosis prevent plants from the drought, frost, etc. Then it is also useful in the dehiscence, means breaking of fruits and sporangia. Thank you.